Forget the Ian Matthews. Alma. It's a white one this time, Everyday Soliders. Red, white, and blue. Imagine that. You never know. It rained last night. This great heat advisory done dried it all up quickly. Grab something, Crane. Grab it. There we go. Hello. How we doing today? Sweating, but loving it. The guy's going the wrong way. Oh my God, he's Flat Tire City, buddy. Wow. You wouldn't be more than 5 minutes and you'd be like, I'm done. Turn the air on. I don't run the AC in my truck when I'm out working in the heat. One, it burns that precious cheap gas. Two, you're hot and sweaty and then you cool down real fast. Then you jump back out and get hot and sweaty again and then you cool back down. It's just a recipe to get sick. And then sometimes that AC feels so good, then you get lazy. But I got a small cleanout job lined up for tomorrow. I gotta go volunteer some time at the fireworks tent tomorrow morning. So today's basically whatever I get here is gas money. Gas money. I didn't break the grill down because ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time. Doctors took way longer than it was supposed to because they're like, oh, well, you're here now. And the doctor's like, I got you. You're going to do this and you're going to do that. And I'm like, whatever. I can't argue when it's like 74 degrees inside. And, oh, I really want to go outside and play in the heat. Yeah, no, I'll just take care of all this information and get all this out of the way. Got a referral to get my big toe looked at. Hopefully I'll be able to wear some proper shoes so the crybabies of YouTube will be happy. And I got a referral to go have my hip checked. I don't waddle when I walk. Today I'll get back to you. Mr. Scrappy's 22,000 pound scoop still sitting here waiting. I wonder if they're gonna bring the they have a torch service company that'll come out here with straight oxygen and they'll chop up them big stuff. I like to have that chain. Just a couple links. Let's go see. Is it still back there, Silver Scorpion? I bet it is. Let me zoom in for y'all. Yeah, they got two payphones. Right. Where's my finger? Where's the camera? There. Go check out Scrap and Scorpion. When he came down the Gulf Coast, you'll see that big, huge motor and then big aluminum blades. WW. Oh, wait, I did that wrong. Hashtag WWWP. Light iron, 200 pounds, 7 cents. Wait, 260 pounds. 7 cents a pound for $18.20. Dirty extruded aluminum. A couple windows. Busted the glass out. 13 pounds, 60 cents for $7.60. Clean extrusion. 3 pounds for 85 cents. Man, that took a drop. For $2.55. Dirty stainless. That was the little door to come off the mini dishwasher and a boat ladder thingy. Let's see, 8 pounds, 13 cents for $1.04. Ooh, clean stainless. That was the grates that came out of the big grill, the $940 grill. 13 pounds, 51 cents for $6.63. And one dirty brass boy. I don't remember what it was. 3 pounds, 75 cents for $2.25 for a grand total of Focus. Focus. Come on, phone. $38.47. So it was $38 because it was under 50 cents. Alright. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Share me out. Tomorrow I got to go volunteer at the fireworks tent. And then after that I got a cleanup job lined up. So, more work keeps coming. More videos keep coming. Take care and have a good day. See you. Shine. Just minus lightning. Pickup call. Good thing about it, my friend knows these people, so he went in and got it. Probably a microwave or a toaster oven. It's always something small.